here for our golden ticket assembly. Yes, it's that time of the week again. It is a Friday, the 25th of November, 2022. We had to celebrate all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who've earned themselves a golden ticket today. And these children have been working hard all term. It's amazing, but they've been doing extra special effort and being really kind, being really helpful, and actually just being really resilient, which you'll hear in a moment. We're going to start this morning in year 3. And in year 3, Miss Marshall says, this child's behaviour is excellent. They're the perfect role model for everyone in school. So just copy them, because if you copy them, you could be winning the golden ticket. I always look forward to seeing this child's writing. It's always beautiful. It really is. Golden ticket goes to... She comes and look at that, Scarlett. There she is, look, an amazing model as well. Well done, Scarlett. Yes, you've won the golden ticket. I know everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer. And everyone, just copy Scarlett, because it could be you then next week winning the golden ticket. So well done, Scarlett. Enjoy taking us home, you superstar. Well done. On to Mrs. Cook and Mrs. Robson. This child is a fantastic ambassador for year 3. Here we go again, see? They always work hard in whatever we are learning, putting into place everything they have learnt before. They really listen in lessons and are good at following instructions. This child is kind, a good friend to others, and they're smiley and helpful too, which is what I said, just being smiley and helpful. It's amazing. They thoroughly deserve this week's golden ticket winner. They certainly do. Well done to Anna Maria. There she is. Look at that. Look at that smile. You should be smiling now. You've won the golden ticket. Yes. Well done, Anna Maria. So proud of you. Enjoy taking this home today. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well, so well done. On to year 4, and Miss White says this person thoroughly deserves a golden ticket for their wonderful attitude and contributions to our class. They work hard and are resilient and determined. It's what I mentioned at the beginning. They put 100% effort in everything, sometimes surprise themselves with their own success. They always impress, but we've especially noticed their careful listening and attention to detail in maths. So really working well in maths. We're really enjoying seeing them grow in confidence with their learning. Keep up this great work. Indeed, keep it up. In he comes. Come on, Gino. There he is. Yes. Look at that. What a smile. Well done, Gino. Keep it up, buddy. You are working so hard. It is fantastic. And you've won the golden ticket. So really well done. Your brother says, I know, are going to be really proud of you. So really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today, superstar. Well done. On to Miss Barrett. Miss Barrett, this week's golden ticket winner, is hard-working, friendly and kind. They present their work beautifully using cursive handwriting, and they put their hand up to join in during lessons. They always really impress me with when we are learning a new Talk for Writing story by coming up with their own actions and retelling the story using such expressions. They really are amazing. It is lovely to see them growing in confidence week after week. It really is. Keep it up. Keep it up. Come on, Casper, here he comes. Yes, there he is. Well done, Casper. I'm so proud of you. Look at that big smile. Amazing football as well, so really well done. Enjoy taking this home and just keep being amazing. Keep working hard. I'm so proud of you. Well done. On to year 5, Miss Musselwhite says, my golden ticket winner this week goes to someone who, whatever you ask them, is never too much. They love learning and come to school every day eager to learn more. They don't just learn in school, but they constantly learn from the world around them, and they use and share that knowledge in school with others, which is fantastic. Their behaviour in the classroom and around school is impeccable, and they're a perfect role model. They're kind and thoughtful to others. They're not just all of these things, but because they know it's the right thing. But it's ingrained in them. It really is ingrained. It's like a bit of rock. You could cut through them, you could see that amazing behaviour and resilience. It's superb. They really are golden ticket worthy. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes none other than, here he comes, Regan. Yes, look at that, Regan. Yes, you absolute superstar. Thank you for being so amazing. You've got the golden ticket. You so deserve it. I know you'll be getting many more, so really well done, and thank you for just being so amazing. And I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer now as well, so well done. On to Miss Arthurton. Miss Arthurton says, our golden ticket winner this week goes to someone who's shown us how much of a resilient learner they are. When they find things challenging, they're not afraid to ask questions to help them fully understand what they need to do. This child takes on the feedback they're given and responds to it in a positive manner and improve their work. This child is also kind, caring and very helpful to adults and peers, and that's throughout school as well. You should be very proud of everything you've achieved so far and keep asking questions. Indeed, keep asking questions. Golden ticket goes to Mandy. There she is. Well done, Mandy. Double thumbs up from Mr. Allen. Thank you for working so hard, being amazing. Thank you for all the help and sharing the load at break times and lunch times, whatever you do. So really well done. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy taking this home with you today, superstar. Well done. On to year 6, and Mr. Davison says this golden ticket winner 6RD is a child who sets the highest standards of behaviour and effort in every aspect of school life as an absolute role model for their peers and everyone in school. It's fantastic. They're kind and thoughtful, happy to help around the classroom and always support others. In lessons, they apply maximum effort at all times, respond positively to feedback and hugely enjoy challenging themselves. As a result, they've continued to produce fantastic writing in English and science, as well as showing great understanding of fractions and decimals right the way through the curriculum. It's amazing. A huge well done to this quietly spoken individual whose artistic skills shone when creating our class story map this week. Should be a bit of a clue there. Golden ticket goes to Andrea. There she is. Well done, Andrea. Yes, come on everyone, give Andrea a massive cheer. She quietly gets on, she is amazing, she's a perfect role model. Thank you so much for being so amazing. Enjoyed taking this well-deserved golden ticket home with you today, you superstar. And thank you, well done. And finally this morning, Miss Percy says our golden ticket winner 6JP this week has awarded someone who's really impressed staff with their progress since the beginning of the year. And that's progress not only in their curriculum, but in their behaviour and their attitude as well. It's absolutely brilliant. This child has a can-do attitude and always follows adults' instructions. They make sure they do the right thing, not to be praised, but because they just know that it's the right thing to do. They do. They're hardworking, polite, and have a great sense of humour. Keep it up. Huge well done. I'm so proud of you, buddy. Golden ticket goes to Bentley. There he is. Look at that smile. Well done, Bentley. So well done. I am so proud of you, buddy. Thank you so much for everything you've done this term and how you've grown. It is amazing. Enjoy taking this home today. I know your mum and dad's going to be really proud of you. So well done. What a fantastic week. Another great week, everyone. Thank you so much for working so hard. If it wasn't you, just copy these children. You've seen them up here. Just copy them. Be like them, and who knows, next week it could be you up there. So give it a go. And this weekend, let's have a little look. Look, here we go. This weekend, well, today and this evening, let's cheer on England. Come on, England. So England have their game against USA this evening, so we'll really cheer on England. See if we get another win there in the World Cup. It'd be fantastic. And design a World Cup flag. Why not this weekend? Let's spend a bit of time designing a World Cup flag of your own, for your family, okay? Or for yourself, because it'd be really lovely to see some of those World Cup flags as well. And then finally as well, help out at home. Let's always give a helping hand at home at the moment. Really help tidy up your bedrooms, whatever that is, clear away, wash up, whatever it is that you can help out. Let's share the load. Let's do our bit at home. And then finally, come on England! We'll see you all on Monday. Bye-bye now.